name's Rosie and I live in a van with my pet snake marinara sauce. Just kidding. So I'm headed out to my land where about, I don't want to say how many years ago, but it was a long time ago, I bought a property with some old abandoned buildings on it. So what I am planning on doing is remodeling an old two-car garage and turning it into a cottage out in the prairies. By myself, I have no experience, so you guys can learn along with me. And this structure was actually built in 1911 and it is pretty weathered, to say the least. So I am going to start rebuilding it by myself. Bought myself a cargo van. Cargo van is great. It was already stripped out, so it's empty inside. And who knows, maybe after I finish my cottage, I will do a van build and travel. This is gonna be a long journey, I think, you guys. And I'm getting a late start. It's already the end of May. And I wanted to start earlier, but I didn't have a vehicle. I finally got a vehicle. This is it. I should give my vehicle a name. I think I'll call my vehicle Charlie. I've always liked that name. I had a car named Charlie when I was a kid. Okay, I'm gonna head out to Menards and maybe Lowe's Garden Center so I can pick up a couple of fruit trees, a couple of berry bushes, and some bags that have a trickle-down water system. They cost like $8.99, so that I can water my bushes and trees when I'm not out at my land. I hope it works out, because trees and bushes are not cheap. Heading into Menards. Haven't been in here in ages. Looking for fruit trees. So far I'm only seeing other types of trees. This is my cargo van and I'm headed out to my micro farm. What will be my micro farm. I think I'm gonna end up getting a rain barrel to collect rainwater, but the price is really high. Well, I had to go to a second nursery, but I ended up getting a couple of apple trees. They didn't have any berry bushes. And actually, those were the only fruit trees that they had. So today I'm just going to plant roses and apple trees. And I also got this anti-gravity chair so that I could watch the skies and look at the stars at night without hurting my neck. And I really could have cleaned my windshield before I left town, but I did not. So sorry about that, guys. Dirty windshield. Open up the window. Yeah. Taking a little pit stop here so you can see the windmills. We have these windmills all over the state. first hole. Okay, there's one tree. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna go get some water and some dirt for it and see if I can sturdy it up a bit. It's really important to make sure that your newly planted trees have water. So the first, I guess, 6 months to a year is pretty crucial that they have regular water. So I am using these bags. They hold 20 gallons of water. And so they make sure that the tree gets the water. So you just wrap it around the tree and then zip it. And then you fill it up. It's got some holes right here. You just fill it up with the water. So I'm going to go to the well and get water. So each of these holds 3 gallons of water, and I have 4 of them. So I'm going to go fill up those tree bags so that my trees can get plenty of water while I'm not here. And I just filled these up at the community well. I'm having a healthy snack in between water hauls. I don't think I'm gonna have time to do the rose bushes today, but at least I got 2 of the trees planted and I got the cottage measured. Beautiful, beautiful lilacs. They smell amazing. And I just picked a bouquet to take back to my apartment in the city. The sun is setting, so I had better go because if you get stuck out in the country at night, it's so dark you can lose your way and get lost very easily. See you next week, everybody. See you next week. Don't be late. I'm going to try to post every Saturday. Isn't this rainbow amazing? It's like God's promise. It's a promise. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like if you want to see more videos.